Welcome to Gadget Solution. TP-Link Extender Red Light. The red light on your TP-Link Wi-Fi extender usually indicates that the Wi-Fi signal is too weak. To be more precise, if the signal strength is at 30% or less, you will see the red light. Unplug it and plug it back in. Unplug the extender from the electrical outlet. Leave it disconnected for 10 to 20 seconds. Plug it back into the wall outlet. Now just give it some time to boot up completely and connect. You should see the green lights pretty soon. Move it closer. Red light indicates that the Wi-Fi signal is too weak. This might have happened if you have moved or replaced the router recently. Also, maybe a new device is causing interference and affecting the Wi-Fi signal strength, so you will have to investigate this as well. Thanks for watching.